In today's video, I want to show you how to make your TikTok account public. So to switch your TikTok account from private account to public account, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your TikTok app. So let's do that. Once you open up your TikTok app, the next thing you want to do, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see your profile icon over there. I want you to tap on that profile. So once you tap on that profile, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see 3 parallel lines over there. I want you to tap on those lines. So once you tap on that line, it will bring up another thing for you. On this page, you want to tap on settings and privacy. So once you tap on settings and privacy, then you want to scroll down a little bit. Then once you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see private account. I want you to tap on that private account. So once you tap on that private account, it will take you to this page. As you can see, private account is turned on. This means my TikTok account is set to private account. So to change this from private to public, you just want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to confirm if truly you want to change this back to public. Then you want to tap on switch. So once you tap on switch, your account will be switched from the private account now to public account. So guys, this is how to actually switch or how to make your TikTok account public on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.